According to the Guinness Book of World Records, this is the oldest restaurant in the world, Restaurante El Botín, in Madrid, Spain. Built in 1725 by a Frenchman, El Botín is a favorite place for well-known personalities who crave for their roasted suckling pig. And the one responsible for their mouth-watering lechon de leche is a Filipino, Roel Alim of Pampanga. Alim is in charge of the oven, tirelessly cooking the lechon to perfection.
Yung kinikita mo, kumbaga sa atin yung kinikita sa atin, di ba, kaunti lang. Mga ibang bahay ka, kinikita ka ng bastante. Para sa akin. Oo.
Magaling yung trato, ano?
Oo, sa ibang Espanyol.
Alam mo nararamdaman ko, magaling yung trato sa iyo. Para kayo pamilya.
Isang pamilya lang. Pati na isang pamilya lang at tuloy na lahat.
9 other Filipinos handle key areas of El Botin's operation. Alain Torrenueva is in charge of desserts and drinks. He says the owners consider all of the 70 restaurant employees as family.
Pilipino, Espanyol, tapos kukunti lang ibang lahi dito, pinakamarami ito Pilipino.
Bakit kayo?
Nagusto nila trabaho ng Pilipino. Yun lang alam ko.
Dahil pinapakita niyo yung best niyo, gano'n?
Oo, kasi magaling sila makisama sa amin, then pinapakita rin namin yung the best namin nila para hindi lang mapahiya mga Pilipino.
Mario, on the other hand, is the only Filipino and Asian waiter in El Botin. But the owner concedes he's the fastest when it comes to serving customers.
Ako lang po yung kauna-unahang Pilipino naging waiter po rito.
Bakit po lang Pilipino yun?
Within 3 centuries po, ngayon lang po nagkaroon ng Pilipinong waiter.
Senor Antonio Gonzalez says he has already proven over the years that Filipinos are trustworthy and reliable.
I think Filipinos, they have a special talent for cooking in the oven or roasting, because otherwise I don't understand how they can improve so fast. Well, it's the truth. You must feel proud of your compatriots because they are really. We only can say good things about them.
And as long as he is alive, Gonzalez proudly says he will not have second thought hiring more Filipinos to work for El Botin. Alvin El Chico, ABS-CBN News, Madrid, Spain.